This brake pad material area in here, and let's go to look closer at that area. Okay, and now when I have pencil in here, now I show that what is this material. This material in here, this is this brake pad's soft material. Soft, that one. It is like some kind of plastic and more small metallic particles, and that's I can write in here like S, like soft, like soft material, this one. And in that material we have to be at least 2 millimeters in here, and we can measure that thing in here, and in now my case I can see that there is left about 6 to 7 millimeters, and this is soft material, and that one in here, this is bad material, this is steel. And if we have only left this area, then we can't drive that car anymore. But if we can see this soft material, everything is okay. And next I take my measurement tool that we can see that is there really 6 millimeters or less. Okay, and we really need now some measurement tape. And there is this my tape, and now this is like millimeters, and when I install this my tape in here in that way, I can then compare like carefully that in what area this my plate pads is, and now I think that we are just in here, and I estimate that I have, if I measure in here in that, I have left about 8 millimeters, 8. And that means that now this my brake pad is okay, and I can drive my car, everything is fine, because this min amount was 2 millimeters in that area. There is only 2 millimeters is, and we compare that amount in this steel plate. In this steel plate to against brake disc, and that area here to here is 8 millimeters in my case. And now I have to check all of these my another wheels and tires areas, that what are in there this brake pad amount, because these brake pads, they burn out in different way in every wheel and tire. And that's, please go to check all of your car's wheels, and normally we have 4 wheels in our cars. Okay, and that kind of information to you, my friend, and see you in next movie.